Once, two monks were traveling from one village to another. On their way, they came upon a large muddy puddle. A young woman was standing at the edge, unsure of how to cross without dirtying her clothes. One of the monks approached her and asked, "Do you need help crossing the puddle?" "Yes," she replied, "but I don't want to get my dress and shoes dirty." Without hesitation, the monk picked her up and carried her across the puddle. Once on the other side, he gently set her down, and she thanked him before going on her way. The two monks continued their journey in silence for hours. Eventually, the second monk spoke up, "How could you carry that woman? We monks are not supposed to touch women." The first monk smiled and said, "I put the woman down on the other side of the puddle, but it seems you are still carrying her in your mind." My friends, this story speaks about the importance of detachment. One monk did what he did with detachment. After carrying the woman to the other side, he did not spend even one moment thinking about this matter and kept his mind calm and focused on the journey. The other monk thought that it was wrong to touch the woman and kept thinking about the incident all the way instead of keeping his mind calm and enjoying his journey. One monk displayed detachment and therefore remained calm and happy. The second monk could not let go of the incident, so he kept thinking about it and can't keep his mind calm. The monk who carried the young woman did not let the incident affect his thoughts and feelings. He did a good deed, let go of it, and moved on. This should be our attitude toward the situations we encounter in everyday life. Do not keep thinking about your actions and behavior over and over again and letting it trouble your mind. Just do good deeds, free yourself from the past and move on. There is no need to carry a heavy burden in your mind.